Hey everyone, it's Jez here. And let me tell you, the future of tech is looking more exciting than a new GPU launch with working drivers on day one. We're talking about fields that aren't just evolving, they're straight up exploding with opportunity. If you've ever considered dipping your toes into the IT world, or you just want to see what all the hype is about, you've come to the right place. We're about to dive deep into the top 10 IT fields that are transforming the tech landscape in 2024. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. All right, let's kick things off with a field that's more relevant than ever, cybersecurity. We're living in a digital world, right? Everything is online, from our banking info to our cat photos. And all that precious data, it's a juicy target for the bad guys. That's where cybersecurity pros come in. These are the digital warriors, the protectors of our online lives. Think about it, every time you enter your password, make an online purchase, or even just browse the web, you're relying on cybersecurity measures to keep your information safe. We're talking firewalls, encryption, intrusion detection systems, the whole shebang. And the demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals is through the roof. Well, because the threats are constantly evolving. Hackers are getting more sophisticated, finding new ways to exploit vulnerabilities. It's a constant arms race, and we need more skilled professionals on the front lines defending our data. So, if you're looking for a career that's both challenging and rewarding, cybersecurity might be right up your alley. Plus, let's be real, who doesn't want to be the hero in a digital heist movie? Next up, we're talking data. Data everywhere. Seriously, we're producing more data than ever before. But here's the thing, data by itself is pretty useless. It's like a giant pile of Lego bricks without instructions. That's where data science and analytics come in. These fields are all about taking that massive amount of data and turning it into something meaningful, something valuable. Imagine being able to predict customer behavior, optimize business processes, even cure diseases, all through the power of data. That's what data scientists and analysts do. They use their skills in statistics, programming, and machine learning to find patterns, trends, and insights hidden within the data. This field is like the Wild West right now, with tons of opportunities for growth. Every industry, from healthcare to finance to entertainment, is looking for talented individuals who can help them make sense of their data and gain a competitive edge. So if you've got a knack for numbers and a passion for problem solving, data science and analytics could be your calling. It's like being a digital detective, but instead of catching criminals, you're catching insights. All right, let's talk about the cloud. No, not the fluffy white things in the sky, although cloud computing can feel like magic sometimes. Remember the days of storing everything on physical servers, worrying about hardware failures and limited storage space? Yeah, those days are fading fast. Cloud computing has revolutionized the way we store, access, and process data. It's like having a giant virtual data center at your fingertips, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. We've got major players like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud leading the charge, each offering a wide range of services, from basic storage to complex machine learning algorithms. And the job market in cloud computing is booming. Whether you're interested in managing cloud infrastructure, developing cloud-based applications, or specializing in a specific cloud platform, there's a place for you in this exciting field. Okay, time to talk about the big leagues, the fields that are changing the game entirely. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Now, I know what you're thinking, robots taking over the world, right? Well, hold your horses. While AI and ML have come a long way, we're not quite at Terminator levels just yet. But what we are seeing is AI and ML being integrated into every aspect of our lives. From the recommendations you get on Netflix to the spam filters in your inbox, these technologies are working behind the scenes, making our lives easier and more efficient. And the really cool part? They're constantly learning and improving. The more data you feed them, the smarter they get. We're talking about self-driving cars, personalized medicine, even AI-powered assistants that can understand and respond to your every command. The possibilities are mind-blowing. So if you're fascinated by the idea of creating intelligent systems that can learn and adapt, AI and ML are the fields for you. Just, maybe go easy on the whole world domination thing, alright? Now let's get down to the nuts and bolts of the tech world software development. This is where the magic happens, where ideas turn into reality. where lines of code transform into the apps and programs we use every single day. And when I say every single day, I mean it. Think about it, your smartphone, your computer, your car, even your refrigerator probably runs on software. Software developers are the architects and builders of the digital world, and their skills are more in demand than ever before. We're talking web development, mobile app development, game development, the list goes on, and each area requires its own unique set of skills and programming languages. But one thing remains constant, the need for creative problem solvers who can think logically and turn complex ideas into elegant lines of code. So if you've got a knack for logic puzzles, enjoy building things, and have the patience to troubleshoot the occasional bug, because let's face it, there will be bugs, then software development might be your calling. Alright, get ready to enter a world where your refrigerator orders groceries, your thermostat adjusts itself based on your schedule, and your car drives you to work while you catch up on emails. No, this isn't a sci-fi movie, this is the Internet of Things, IoT. We're talking about a network of interconnected devices, all talking to each other, sharing data, and automating tasks. It's about making our lives easier, more efficient, and let's face it, a little bit cooler. Remember when having a smartphone was considered cutting edge? Get ready for a world where everything from your toothbrush to your coffee maker is connected. The applications of IoT are endless. We're talking smart homes, smart cities, smart factories, even smart farms. And this interconnected future requires skilled professionals to design, implement, and manage these complex systems. So, if you're fascinated by the idea of a hyper-connected world where devices communicate seamlessly to improve our lives, then IoT might just be the field for you. Just be prepared for the day when your toaster starts giving you life advice. Alright, let's talk about a field that's all about breaking down walls, streamlining processes, and making everyone's lives easier. DevOps. You see, in the world of software development, there's often a disconnect between the developers who build the software and the operations teams who deploy and maintain it. DevOps swoops in to bridge that gap, fostering collaboration, communication, and automation throughout the entire software development lifecycle. Think of it like this. DevOps is like the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring that all the different instruments, development, testing, deployment, operations, are playing in harmony. This approach results in faster software releases, fewer errors, and a more efficient workflow for everyone involved. And let me tell you, in the fast-paced world of tech, efficiency is key. So, if you're a natural collaborator, love finding ways to optimize processes, and have a knack for both development and operations, then DevOps might be your calling. Plus, you'll get to be the peacemaker between developers and operations teams, and trust me, that's a valuable skill. Alright, it's time to talk about the technology that's been making headlines and sparking debates for the past few years, blockchain. Now, I know what you're thinking, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, right? While it's true that blockchain is the underlying technology behind Bitcoin, it's so much more than just a digital currency platform. Think of blockchain as a digital ledger, but not just any ledger, a super secure, decentralized, and transparent ledger that can't be tampered with. Imagine a world where contracts are automatically enforced, supply chains are completely transparent, and your digital identity is truly yours. That's the potential of blockchain. And we're already seeing its applications in various industries, from finance and supply chain management to healthcare and voting systems. So, if you're fascinated by the idea of a decentralized, secure, and transparent future, then blockchain might be the field for you. Just be prepared to explain what it is to your friends and family a million times. Get ready to immerse yourself in a world where the lines between reality and the digital realm blur. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. We're talking about experiences that were once confined to the realms of science fiction now becoming a tangible reality. Imagine stepping into a video game and experiencing it firsthand, or overlaying digital information onto the real world through your smartphone camera. That's the power of VR and AR. And these technologies are no longer just expensive toys for gamers and tech enthusiasts. We're seeing their applications explode across industries, from education and healthcare to retail and entertainment. Imagine surgeons using VR to practice complex procedures, architects designing buildings in AR, or students taking virtual field trips to ancient Rome. The possibilities are truly limitless. So, if you're a creative thinker, fascinated by the potential of immersive experiences, and have a passion for pushing the boundaries of what's possible, then VR and AR might be the fields for you. Just, try not to get too lost in the metaverse. Alright, we've saved the most mind-bending for last: quantum computing. This is the field that has the potential to revolutionize everything we know about computing, solving problems that are currently impossible for even the most powerful supercomputers. We're talking about harnessing the bizarre and counterintuitive laws of quantum mechanics to perform calculations at speeds that are, frankly, difficult to even comprehend. Imagine a computer that can break the encryption we use today in a matter of seconds, or simulate complex molecules to develop life-saving drugs. That's the promise of quantum computing. While it's still in its early stages of development, the potential is so vast that it's already attracting massive investments from governments and tech giants around the world. So, if you're a physics whiz, fascinated by the mysteries of the quantum world, and have a thirst for pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, then quantum computing might just be your calling. So, there you have it, the top 10 IT fields that are shaping the future of tech. As you can see, the tech landscape is evolving at an incredible pace, presenting a wealth of opportunities for those who are willing to learn, adapt, and embrace the unknown. Whether you're drawn to the challenge of cybersecurity, the power of data science, or the mind-bending potential of quantum computing, there's a place for you in this exciting world. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in, explore, and who knows, you might just find yourself at the forefront of the next big tech revolution. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more awesome content like this. And be sure to let me know in the comments which of these fields you're most excited about. Until next time, keep those CPUs humming.